We're starting our weekend ride here, crossing this beautiful bridge with the morning sun shining down on us. In the distance, the misty hills rise up, adding a peaceful touch to the view. It's the perfect way to begin our adventure. As we pedal through the charming village roads, the climb starts to challenge us. But the beauty around makes it all worth it. Riding through these rubber plantations is absolutely stunning. The sun rays peek through the trees, creating a warm, golden glow that makes us smile with every pedal. Finally, we arrive at a breathtaking river. Its waters so clear, you can see every tiny fish swimming by. Surrounded by lush greenery, this is the kind of beauty that takes your breath away, making every moment here feel magical. The journey continues as we weave through the long rubber plantations. Greenery surrounds us on all sides, and the sun kisses our path, giving each moment a warm, golden glow. The road ahead feels full of endless possibilities. It's time for a short break. And what better place than here? Surrounded by rows of vibrant pineapple plants with a cool breeze to refresh us. The view is a perfect pause, reminding us to enjoy the simple beauty around us. It's the kind of moment that fills us with pure happiness and gratitude for nature's beauty. Our journey comes to an end, but there's always another ride waiting. Drop a comment below, share your thoughts, and let's ride again soon.